So,
Get out of the way.
We're going into the Christmas zone, you guys.
Merry Christmas to us. Right, because I should have been working at Christmas.
I know, right?
Isn't this so cool?
Unbelievable. Everyone. Yeah,
ooh, I don't like that yellow.
If the
But it's working.
Boy works.
So this is where it messed up last time. It bound. So let's see if it does it again. And I hope not.
Yeah. And that's the longest delay we're ever going to get there, going from yellow to...
Oh, that's true.
Yeah, the box, like, dump speed sounds a lot better now. Isn't that like a good feeling on this thing?